Solitude can be a precious gift that allows you to explore your innermost thoughts and emotions. Being alone with yourself can help you gain a deeper understanding of who you are as a person. It gives you the opportunity to reflect on your life and make important decisions without distractions. Spending time alone can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and work towards personal growth and self-improvement. It can help you recharge your batteries and find the energy and motivation you need to tackle your daily tasks. When you're alone, you have the freedom to do what you want without worrying about anyone else's opinions or expectations. Being alone can be a chance to disconnect from social media and technology and find peace in the simplicity of life. Solitude can provide a space for creativity and inspiration, allowing you to explore new ideas and express yourself. Spending time alone can help you learn to appreciate your own company and find comfort in your own thoughts and feelings. It can be an opportunity to practice mindfulness and focus on the present moment without any external distractions. Alone time can help you deal with difficult emotions and work through challenging situations in a calm and rational way. Being alone can give you the chance to indulge in your hobbies or passions without any interruptions. It can help you cultivate a sense of independence and self-reliance. Solitude can be a time to practice self-care and engage in activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. It can be a chance to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty of the world around you. Alone time can help you cultivate a sense of gratitude and appreciate the people and things in your life. Being alone can allow you to develop a stronger sense of intuition and inner guidance. Solitude can be a time to connect with your spirituality or explore your beliefs and values. Spending time alone can help you break free from negative thought patterns and cultivate a more positive mindset. It can be a time to journal or write down your thoughts and emotions, which can be a cathartic and healing experience.